So guys, we got the Q-Cat again. I wanted to make a quick video on the 2017 Ford F-150s. That's your... it's a terrible shot. Can't see it. Oh, you gotta go this way. That's your drain plug. Alright? And what it is... it's one of these. And if some of you guys have been around for a while, they produced a quick disconnect type thing for your oil drain. All right, and this just basically goes in and just like so. Need a pair of pliers. Hang on. All right, so that's your drain, and then just gingerly just twist it. They put this fucking sway bar arm right in the way of it. It's a terrible idea, but that's it. Now, for those of you that remember what these things are, they're terrible because they break. And that's factory. So just be careful when you pull them out. Again, this is a 2017 F-150 with the 5-liter. You can see it is an actual pickup. And also, on these, when you go to drain it, your oil filter's up here in the front. Then they gave it a little channel, which is right here. Okay, don't bother putting your oil drain up here. Put your oil drain back here. As you see, that's the drain. That's where the oil actually comes out from. And as you can see from my floor, it's still dripping. So, yeah. You really don't need any real tools per se. You don't need a ratchet to change the oil on these. It's pretty cool. Just wanted to share that with you guys. You got the Q-Cat.